how to turn on or turn off the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or the iPhone 14 Pro Max or the Plus. Now to turn it off, you want to press and hold on the side button and the volume down key. So press on both keys at the same time, press and hold. Then when you see this screen, slide across, and that will allow you to switch off the phone. And when the phone is off, you can press and hold on the power button to switch it on, or the side button right here. So press and hold for a few seconds. Once you see the Apple logo appear, let go of the button, and this will allow the phone to boot up. Give it a few seconds for the phone to boot up. Once it has boot up, you can either set up or you can lock onto your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.